So, another day, another record for the S&P, but this one came with a few bumps along the way. Hey everyone, it's Friday morning, July 25th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we begin, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital. For smart investment solutions and high-quality funds, head over to amf-capital.de. If you enjoy the podcast, please rate it wherever you're listening and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. All right, let's get to it. Thursday wrapped up mixed. The Standard & Poor's 500 barely ticked higher, less than 0.01%, but it was still enough to notch its fourth straight record close. The Nasdaq added about 0.2%, hitting another all-time high. But the Dow? It slipped 0.6%, weighed down by a post-earnings slide in IBM shares. Now, the real story was in tech earnings. Alphabet blew past Wall Street's second quarter expectations and made it clear it's all in on artificial intelligence. That helped lift its shares and boosted other AI-linked names like Nvidia, keeping the tech rally alive. Tesla, though, didn't share the love. The stock sank after missing earnings, showing weaker European sales, and with Elon Musk warning of rough quarters ahead as Trump's budget bill cuts EV tax credits. That put a bit of a damper on the Magnificent Seven hype. On the trade front, optimism is still hanging around after the US-Japan pact earlier this week. Reports now say the US and the European Union are close to agreeing on a 15% tariff for most European imports, which is way better than the 30% Trump had threatened. And it seems 15% might become the new baseline for these so-called reciprocal tariffs set to kick in on August 1st. So yeah, another record for the S&P and Nasdaq, but plenty of moving pieces. AI momentum, Tesla trouble, and tariffs still lurking in the background. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'll be back tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Don't forget to subscribe, rate the podcast, and share it with your network. Thanks for tuning in.